Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change your home address on Google Maps. This is especially useful if you've recently moved or if you initially set the wrong address and want to update it for accurate navigation and personalized recommendations. To get started, open your web browser and head over to google.com/maps. This will take you directly to the Google Maps homepage where you can access all your saved locations and preferences. Once you're on the Google Maps page, look towards the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu icon, typically represented by 3 horizontal lines. Go ahead and click on that icon. This will open up the main navigation menu where you can access various features and settings within Google Maps. From the menu that appears, locate and click on Saved. This section is where Google Maps stores all your favorite places, labeled locations, and lists you've created over time. It's essentially your personalized collection of places that matter to you. Now, within the Saved section, you'll see several tabs at the top. Click on Labeled. This tab specifically shows all the addresses you've assigned labels to, such as home, work, or any custom labels you might have created. This makes it easy to quickly navigate to places you visit frequently. Here's where you'll find your current home address. Look for the entry labeled Home and you'll notice 3 dots beside it. Click on those 3 dots to reveal a small menu with additional options. From this menu, select Remove Address. This action will delete your current home address from the system, clearing the way for you to input your new one. After removing the old address, click directly on Home. You'll be prompted to enter a new location. This is where you'll input your new home address. Type it carefully to ensure Google Maps can locate it accurately and provide you with the best routing and location-based services. Once you've entered your new address, look towards the top of the screen where you'll find the Save button. Click on Save to confirm and store your new home address. This finalizes the change and ensures that Google Maps will now use this updated location for all home-related directions and features. And that's it. You've successfully updated your home address on Google Maps, ensuring your navigation and location services are accurate and tailored to your current residence. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.